saying. No need to create the content in the first instance. That's what the Joint Secretary said. Oh, itna hai iske andar.
So, but it is also adding to the idea of cut and paste methodology.
डॉक्टर साहब एक छोटी सी बात नहीं मेरी बात सुनो मैं एक छोटी सी बात now allow me to say I am a reviewer of many of the online courses. I am a shadow reviewer. The kind of stuff which were there, leave it put. अभी यहाँ तो लोगों को पता ही नहीं इसके बारे में. अभी तो लोगों ने कट कॉपी पेस्ट अपलोड करके कोर्स चल रहा है, which is not at all acceptable. My point in this case is, अरे कुछ तो करने दे यार, कम से कम तो लोगों को तो सुन तो हो जाए, देखा जाएगा बात. अभी तो डॉक्टर साहब की तरफ से तो बार-बार मैसेज आ रहा है और कुछ सॉफ्टवेयर खरीदो, वही गुरुजी अब खरीदना चाहते हैं. So what I'm trying to say, sir, my request is, okay, you select this and select the advanced search. So whatever topic you are given, you get the message. So आपको क्या करना है? देखिए, just open, for example, Watered Soul Block book, for example. So I want this. Copy. In the 2-page text, appropriately paste this. But it should be available in your Google Drive. Got it now? So first part is e-content. Second part is, first part is video tutorial, video lectures, where we use the content from the YouTube, we use the existing content from the Swayamprabha, and we created the content. And DL also. Similarly, in e-content also, I said prepare a 2-page, right? And there is a small, 2 more things are there. अभी तो बता देता हूँ, lunch के बाद तो बोल ना जाऊँ मैं. And there is something called assessments. Assessment is the 3rd quadrant of Swayam courses. Assessments में there is a 3rd quadrant. In 3rd quadrant also we use only one assessment. We use MCQ. My request to all of you is, create 4 questions, focusing knowledge level, 1 question. डॉक्टर साहब ये लिखना है आपको. Assessments में simply will be concentrating on MCQ only, sir. We don't want to do other things. Okay? First one is, you need to think. All these things should be done in the design phase itself. Okay? So 1 question in the knowledge level, 1 question application level, 1 question analysis level, 1 question critical thinking level. So under assessments, you had to think 4 questions, and each question in this one, and this is a question, options and key. That's all. That MCQ which we are all comfortably handling for many years. Okay? This is quadrant number 3. Now, last very interesting thing. Last quadrant is discussion forum. Last quadrant is discussion forum. This is very interesting. आपको क्या करना है? Generally, we don't know how to ask the question. Students don't know. What is the discussion forum? Discussion forum is a collaborative learning environment where the doubts of the students are answered in the near real-time basis. Discussion forum is an academic activity, collaborative learning environment, where doubts of the students are answered in a near real-time basis. करना है, ये जो वीडियोस अपलोड किया हमने, we have uploaded e-content. So you think one such question, what type of a discussion can be initiated in the topics which you are given? Got it? What type of discussion can be initiated to have a deeper understanding of the topic? Yes, sir, what is that? See, the logic is simple. The logic is, in a classroom I can ask, समझ में आ गए? आपको आपसे अभी पूछा मैंने, समझ में आ गए? पूछो, हाँ बोला, आधा. But online में क्या होता है? How do we know? So the teacher himself create a platform, create an environment where the doubts can be, he can pose a question. So आप 4 लोग बैठ के किस टाइप के क्वेश्चन हो सकते हैं? जब आप ये सोच के रख लीजिएगा पेपर में, when we after lunch, when we all of us will register for free Moodle cloud site, and we'll make one person as a teacher in the group, other 3 are students. One person, because the remaining will be done by, because this particular thing will be done till 28. I was told by Usman bhai. Okay, so हम क्या करेंगे? We'll virtually run this one for some more time. Okay. So after the lunch, what we will do? I think all of you need to be completed this. Videos need to be completed. E-content 2 page writer. ऐसे का copy करके रखो, मुझे कोई दिक्कत नहीं. At least but it has to be there. Okay. Number 3. But think about the 4 assessment, 4 questions, MCQ questions. Knowledge level, application level, analysis level, critical thinking. On the videos which you made. Videos. Yes. Videos. And last one is a discussion forum question. Once it is done, we all will get registered. Sir, yes. All will be get registered with the Moodle site. I'll take an example. Jural साहब के साइड में हमारे दोनों सर जो है students बनेंगे. So what he will do? They all collectively work to facilitate the content upload, video content uploading, e-content uploading, assessment creation, discussion forum creation. And because since these 2 are students, sir will access the course through mobile app. The other sir will access through Moodle cloud client. हमारे teacher, he is a teacher. So what is a teacher role? How many types of enrollments are there? And what is the comparison with Swayam and Moodle? All the things will be explained. जितना हो सके 6-6:30 बजे तक cover करता हूँ. Otherwise we have, since thanks to you and I'm part of your team for some time.
So teacher will also be answering on the discussion forum queries raised by these guys.
Of course, sir. यही होना चाहिए. डॉक्टर साहब बता रहा हूँ आपको, ये होने से पता है क्या होता है? मैं इसके राज बता रहा हूँ. डिपार्टमेंट के अंदर से होने से कोई गलतियां भी हो ना, एंड सुधारने की कोशिश कर सकते. जैसे देहाती में बोलते हैं, नाक कट गए तो डिपार्टमेंट के अंदर ही गिरेगा. पब्लिक में तो सबको पता नहीं चलेगा, इस बंदे को पता नहीं पता है. We did not create that kind of environment. Right? So this is what the process after lunch. So have a quick bite, and I was told the lunch will be. हाँ, अब थोड़ा सा जल्दी करके आने. I think if you can come back quickly, so that we can spend more time setting hands.
So we can finish it.
वीडियो कर देना नहीं तो आप इसको चले
वीडियो में स्लाइड